Welcome back, beautiful. If you have 4C hair, you chose the right video because it's silk press season and we do not need to be struggling during our hair wash days. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got her hair from the shrinkage, the Lionel Richie Jerry curls to Cat Williams James Bond silk press, honey. Y'all see that shine? Yeah, I'm going to show y'all all the steps it took. I got y'all, girl. Keep watching. First, you need your supplies. You need a good blow dryer. Then you need a flat iron. This isn't the Babyliss Pro, but I got it from Amazon. We make it work. Then you need some type of blow drying spray or heat protectant. Some scrunchies or clips to part the hair. You need your detangling brush and a wide tooth comb. This is the tea right here. Olaplex number 7. She gonna get that silk press right. I know it's expensive, but make sure y'all go buy it. And lastly, some shears, because you know we gotta trim them ends. First, you want to start with freshly washed hair. When I mean freshly washed, make sure you thoroughly wash your hair. Take all the conditioner out. Leave no residue because you want the hair to be squeaky clean. Look at her shrinkage, y'all. I can't wait to see how good this straightens out. I'm just showing y'all her hair texture and how her curls are and her shrinkage, because that shrinkage be lying. Like, it be trying to play us. And as soon as we get that silk press, it be like, ooh, new hair, who this? Length, who this? Don't play with us. Why did I grab her hair like that? You're going to get your scrunchies and your wide tooth comb and just part the hair. Right now I'm parting it down the middle and just getting ready to section the hair. You want to do it into 4 sections, and I'm just gathering up the hair with the scrunchie and tying it up because we're not using that part of the hair right now. So I'm just going to the front, tying up the front. But all I do is think about the way you make me feel. 'Cause baby, love is so real. Then you're gonna grab your heat protectant or blow drying spray that into the hair and just apply it thoroughly. I forgot to mention that I'm using this serum. It's like a hydrating serum because with our hair porosity it can be kind of dry. You're gonna get your Demon brush. Make sure you detangle from the ends to the roots. There's nothing I hate more than when you get a silk press and somebody detangles from the roots to the ends. That's not how it works. Right here I'm stretching the hair out because I want to make sure that the roots are stretched and they get dried first. That's the key because you don't want no fuzzy roots. So just make sure you stretch the hair out from the top and leave some heat there for a little so the roots can get stretched and dried. And as you can see, the roots are stretched, and now we're gonna get to the ends. And I'm just blow drying to the rest of the hair, getting the ends because we don't want no curly ends. We want everything stretched out and ready to be pressed. And now you're going to repeat that process with other sections in the hair. Make sure you go by little sections. I know we did 4 sections, but with each of those 4 sections, you want to like split that down the middle again, because the smaller sections you have, the better the hair gets blow dried. If your section is too big, the hair is not going to be as stretched. You might still have some parts that are curly. You guys, the front of her hair is so damaged. I don't know, it's from her doing a lot of those slick back ponytails, but the front of her hair had a lot of split ends and it was very damaged. I tried my best to get it as straight as possible as I could from blow drying it, but it was just too damaged. So we'll work with what we have. Now it's time to add Olaplex. We're applying Olaplex through the hair. Now we're gonna grab a tiny section, and with the comb, you wanna comb it through the roots and then hold it. And you're gonna pass once and then once again down the hair. So pretty much you're gonna grab the flat iron, pass it through the roots once, and then you pass it one more time so it can go through the rest of the hair, because you want the roots as pressed as possible. And why is she moving over here like I burnt her scalp? Relax.
Think about the way you make me feel. 'Cause baby, the love is so real. Soon as I get home, when I can't hang it up to you.
So I got a little closer so you guys could see me pressing the roots and then going back one more time to finish the whole hair.
If I try, spend some time with you to make
And you're just gonna continue with little sections throughout the hair.
you better. And if I could, with you I would be forever.
Look at that shine. She's coming along. Y'all see them hair strands? They are pressed, honey. I'm getting her right. Y'all see them? We getting somewhere. I'm just showing you guys a close-up of these split ends. She really needs a trim.
Shake your body, shake your body.
We're at the front of her hair. We're almost done. Here's the last strand. She's done. You just want to comb through. She wanted middle part, so we giving her a middle part. I'm a side part girly personally, but to each its own. Like I said before, look at how silky it starts at the top and then towards the end it just split. It's just straight split ends. This hairstyle would have been so much more silkier if it wasn't for these split ends. Now, I'm not a professional hairstylist. We're just gonna try to trim her ends. I really don't know how to trim, so I know some hairstylists probably gonna be watching this cringing. I'm trying my best, y'all. I just wanted to cut some of them split ends out and get her right. So you're just gonna go by sections when you trim. You start from the bottom, cut those, and then just keep adding hair up top. And I'm cutting the front of her hair, which is the part that really needed the trim, because ooh.
each other time. I can take away the pain if you would only let me just forget about the past.
She wanted the ends bumped, James Brown style. So we're just passing the flat iron through it one more time and just bumping the ends. Cause I think she wanted like a bob kind of style, but and this is the final product. Look at how shiny it is, how silky it is. You can't beat this. I got y'all right. Y'all can't say that I didn't get y'all right. Now y'all could do a silk press at home. You can achieve this at home. You didn't even need that much products. You didn't even need that much stuff to achieve this look. And look at how happy she is. Look at that smile.
Shake your body, shake your body.
Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. You made it to the end. That's why we twins and we locked in. If you really enjoyed it, continue to support me and help our community grow by sharing with your loved ones and telling a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Be sure to be on the lookout for future tutorials. Bye.
'Cause you are